So today we're gonna do diner. So today it's more letters, right? And
Tana.
Experiment Dinosaur and
Tippet.
So today we're gonna do some letters. Yay! Let's get started.
First we have a picture of the letter D. It's pink and like white lace on it. What kind of background do you think this is?
Like sidewalk?
It's like a sidewalk with background. And that's a photo.
That was good.
Okay, second we have alphabet teaching tubs. Letter D. Whoa.
Don't make it too hard.
We have a duck and a dinosaur and a dog and a donut and a domino and a dolphin and a big D. Oh.
So close.
And a lowercase d.
Guess what?
What?
Who's in my hand?
Which one do you have?
Who is it?
What's missing? The donut.
I eat it. Bye, right back. Next is space alphabet. D is for double star. It's yellow on it, has stars on it, has night background. So the fourth one is D is for Dragonfly. That was from Excavation eggs. Probably we need to get water, I think. It doesn't have an antenna. It has 6 legs and a tail. It has 4 wings on it, like a butterfly. Not.
And the next, for the 5th one, we have cubes. It's the letter D, it's blue D, big D. And we have on the other side D for duck. But then there's 4. I think that's a dog. An M and a Q. I think that's everything. And the next one is alphabet goldfish. It's got an orange D on it on a white background, and there's a little D for dog.
Like a dog. So the 7th one is the robot alphabet. It's probably broken, but or not. Why are they doing like this? As a head or face? It's broken. No, there he is. There's a feet. There's some arms. Oh, get them out! There we go. Probably you're gonna stand this like this or not. Probably not. Ow. So the 8th one, I think. Yep. Has ready set Scraffiti. Wow. Draw like this. Let's make a big little lines on this. And we're gonna make some big lines. Ah! Yeah. Yeah. Ew. Doesn't work like that.
The 9th one we have is domino. It's Got a big D and a little D on this side, and D and Dragonfly is orange with pink wings on this side.
Great.
Okay, the 10th one, we have Doritos. And let's see here.
I hate Doritos.
You Here. Such a waste of Doritos. Ta-ta!
So the ultra rare bonus one is Diner and Ryden and Tana's channel. Let's do this. Welcome, my eaters. Today is Diner, Ryden, and Tana's channel. Follow me. This is Frammy's and this is Daddy's. I'll be right back, guys. Thank you.
Recorded. Oh, they have a great menu.
When did these
What do you want to eat on here?
drink?
You want a drink?
Yes.
An alcoholic beverage?
No.
Hi, guys.
Oh, hi there.
What do you want to drink?
Could I just have some fresh water, please?
Fresh water. Okay. Fresh? You mean fresh ice water?
Yes, please.
You're ready. What about Daddy?
Thanks, sir. I'd like a Fanta, please.
Fanta.
Cold. Has to be cold.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
So my grandma says they want a fresh ice water. The crushed or cube. Let's try cube. Water.
Let's see what I can salvage.
And my dad says they need a cold Fanta. Here you go.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Don't spill anything, okay? I'll be right back. Hi guys. Do you want to eat lunch, dinner, or breakfast?
I get lunch, sir.
Lunch for Daddy. And...
I'll take lunch.
Okay,
also.
okay. Let's start with Daddy first. What do you want to eat lunch?
A hamburger.
A hamburger. Anything else?
Well, I have a question for you.
What?
Is sushi only for dinner, or can I have it for lunch also?
Yes.
Yes, I can have it for lunch?
Yes.
Okay, I don't want a hamburger anymore. I want sushi instead.
Okay. Anything else?
Yeah, that's all, sir. Thank
Okay.
you.
You're trying to get one things or more. What do you want to eat?
I just would like a chicken Caesar salad, please.
Chicken Caesar? Chicken salad?
Yes, please.
I said chicken and salad.
Oh, okay.
I'll put chicken and salad.
Okay.
That's more than that.
Is it?
If you need desserts, let me know.
Oh, I will.
Okay.
I already saw Skittles, and I love Skittles.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
So Daddy's gonna get sushi. Tana, get the sushi, please.
Yes, sir. sushi.
And I'll get my family's also. Here you go, Daddy.
Oh, thank you.
Don't waste
Oh,
it.
excuse me, sir. I need chopsticks.
Chopstick?
Yeah.
We don't have chopstick.
Chopsticks.
Oh, chopsticks?
Or spoon and fork, sorry.
Which one? This one or that one?
A small one.
I do.
Go.
Tana, get the salad, please, and I'll get the chicken.
Okay. Watch your head.
Excuse me. Plate, please. How many chickens?
2, please.
I want 2. I want 2. You don't have to put it in the oven?
The oven or the microwave?
Oven. When I get ready, Tana.
Okay.
Oh, excuse me. That's okay. Great. They go ding. Ding. How do you ding?
Ding, Donna.
Stop. Here you go, Franny.
Oh, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a great lunchy. Let me know when you get dessert.
Alright, thank you.
Just eat.
Oh my goodness, that's delicious.
Just eat. Where's the sauce? Or ketchup? Want some ketchup?
Yes, please, just a little right here.
Okay.
Oh, that's plenty. Thank you.
Let me know when you need ketchup for this one. Okay.
Okay.
I think I want dessert now, sir.
Okay, in a minute. Let me wash my hands. What do you want to eat dessert, Patty? You want dessert?
I would like dessert.
Okay.
please.
Don't forget to eat salad.
I will,
Can
definitely.
you tell me what the desserts are again? Or
Ice cream, cookies, chips, whatever candy you want, and more.
okay. Do you have the dessert menu? The dessert menu?
Yep. Sorry, I forgot to take them.
Thank you.
That's fine. I already know I want an ice cream cone.
Okay.
I'm very easy to please.
cookie?
Yes.
Okay.
Just one.
What do you want to eat for this?
I wanted an ice cream cone.
Ice cream.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yep. We got the cookie ready, and we need to scoop it out. Scoop it up. Scoop it up. Be very careful. From out of the sky. Here you go. And I'm pretending I'm trying to eat an ice cream.
Sir, can I have a doggy bag, please?
What? What is that?
A doggy bag.
A doggy
So I
bag?
can take this food to go. It's just a bag. A plastic bag. Thank you.
Here you go.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Eat your salad,
This
please.
is delicious. Thank you.
Thank you.
You can pick anything if you do a good job.
Oh, thank you. What's this mint?
Oh, I love those.
Skittles or this
Oh, I'll just take one, please. Since I have an ice cream.
Sir, can you put this in the kitchen, please?
one?
Thank you.
You want any Skittles?
I'm good, thanks, sir.
What about you?
No, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Make up your sign in.
I thought my son-in-law was paying.
Well, I'll pay for it, sir.
Okay.
Okay, there you go. Sir, here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. Family, you have to rate your experience.
So your guys are good. You get a star. Thank you.
Thank you. But could we leave now?
Yep.
Okay.
Don't forget to clean up.
Okay, thank you.
Go. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. It's great. It was great food and service.
Thank you. I loved it.
Wait, don't forget.
What's that, sir?
Come on, Tana.
Oh, your helper.
Oh.
We didn't get to say hello.
Chef.
Stay with me, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Click here to get a trailer and click here to get the alphabet. I'll see